भारत छोड़ो आंदोलन उनकी चूल्हे हिलाने में लगा था। इस आंदोलन से अंग्रेज बुरी तरह
Kumsi benta ke jingyok mensim na ki thmei perkhat ki bosong sbai berbadan ya kata gathong ban sem bad yui dala ki jong ki khmat ba kari India sisen ke sngi kan yo no ya ke jing lai loi ngidon menta ban wan lam ya ka khbor ka bakar pang jong wei uriu temen bala kenjo khandai produce nam kerta ba kalalong satang mau marwei na kene ganong ba shilong bala isim benta ha ka program ya ki Quit India Movement persya ya ke sensar jong pareng UT7 News ulayo ya kalat banyak kendu markhmat yo merinal kanti de berbanyak sengau ya ke khana no para jungu hayingsa hapo oklan lapun batkha yo merinal kanti de hapo ke senang selhet ke bahak menta hapo gari Bangladesh ha ka arterik bnai naitung jong snam khat khandai spa arpsau ha ka kerta ke bau dangdon kemba khat prasnem ulai sim menta ha ke jingki jangka Quit India keblalong hangni hanong ba shlong Hakabau la shakem ba set hadu sau banai hapatok
independence.
Not really.
74 of independence. So, and sir is the lone freedom fighter from Meghalaya as of till date. What was his experience, and he should have narrated some stories to you regarding the struggle that he went through in making India its own country. Anything on that, sir?
Whatever he has briefed us, I'm telling you that as a boy of 18 years, he started struggling for the freedom fight with the freedom fighters at Sylhet. In the year 1942, he joined the freedom fighting, and they have get out the DC's office as well as SP's office, for which they have been behind the bar for 4 months. Then after 4 months, he has been released, and he started the same thing again. Even in the year 1946 also, he has been kept inside the jail. In 1947, we got independence. So he was telling that a massive mass people has joined the independence. For that reason, he has also joined, and the crowd which they have seen, it's amazing.
Kumta kadba kari berkejela kapen kre bakan rakhi ya kejingyo light load ke banyak saus nam ke jongka kalong sisa ke bas ngau tenat bat ngau melung banyak ngau ya kejing batai upara jungu ude ya kejinglong samla ke jungu banyak sementa kejing ki banyak light load kari India.
The main reason is that once he has seen that most of the people are doing all this, that may be the enthusiasm by which he, and there are some elderly people who guided, say for example, Ratin Chen, Nivaran Datta, Rakesh Ranjan Shaw, Parshanath Chaudhary, these are the idol of him. By seeing them, he started doing all this. Actually what has happened, do you know, this is a mass movement. So automatically, nowadays, at the age of 18, we are not doing anything else because there is no movement at all. But as because it is a mass movement, and for the purpose of independence, not only he, there are plenty of 18 years, 20 years boys they have joined. We don't know the name of them, but as per him, he told me there are plenty, 16, 18, 20 years boys, they have joined the mass movement of Quit India. Has given them the freedom fighter pension. From 1972, they are getting the freedom fighter pension, as well as every year before the 15th August, they are being asked to go to Delhi to felicitate them. But as now it is his 96th year, he couldn't able to go for last 10 years. Government of India is felicitating every year. Every year, Government of Meghalaya also sending a felicitation letter at the Governor House to go to the Governor House. And when he is not going to Delhi, at that time he used to go to Governor House. But now he cannot because of health hazard. And recent felicitation has been done by the Government of Meghalaya on 9th. Madam Lakian has come and she did the felicitation. Yes, yes.
Basically, this is the first time government of Meghalaya has come personally and felicitated, or was it done earlier also?
Felicitation has not been done till today, but this is for the first time. But they are sending the letters to attend in the governor house every year.
Okay.
It is more or less like a felicitation also.
Hagasngi bakari karakhepat yaklingkho snam kabanyo pupra jong kajingki pajba Quit India movement nakliang ki bor badikmi jong district kilapoi hayeng jong mrenal kanti de ban pungkup buram kerpang yauni wei nakinangki banyo laitlot nak benta kari bat kani ke jong pungkup buram kalong kum kadak ban pertu bat ban ithu yakikam ki bakrau baul ale kembala long lem ki wei ki para nong song song thau hakum kini snam ban mi paiba ban pensawa jam lem ya kasur bala khot bar wer da kiriu krau kenang lam jong kari nak benta bunya khun ya kejing yo lai lot na kejing senchar jong pareng